Hello and welcome to Gavin Makes. In this video we're going to show you how to do bubble painting. You'll only need a few materials for bubble painting, some straws, some paper cups, your paints in whichever colours you like, and fairy liquid to help create the bubbles. And finally just your paper. Start by filling up 3 cups with water. Add fairy liquid, this will help create the bubbles. Then you can start to add your paint. You can choose whichever colours you'd like. Try and get them in the cup, but we chose red, yellow to create an orange in the middle, and then we just used yellow on the final cup. Take your straw and give these a good mix. At this point we could see some of the bubbles starting to foam up, but the bubbles didn't look very colourful, so we decided to add a bit more paint into each cup just to try and make those bubbles as colourful and vibrant as possible. Now for the fun part, take your straw and blow through the straw into the cups to build up the bubbles. You can now take your paper and just lay it on top of the cups and press it down with your hands to print the bubbles onto the paper. It might not look that impressive at this stage, but once you create multiple bubbles, it will start to bring the picture together. You can just keep repeating the process until you're happy with your design. If you like, you can introduce more cups and more colours. This will help you create bigger designs. Now you've got the basics down, you can start to experiment with different colours and different designs. For bubble painting inspiration, you can check out our bubble painting article over at gava.how, which is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.